Hi friends, I am Ranveer Singh from Fundamental Research Desk of Sharekhan. This is to give you a review for pharma sector. During Q4 FY 2013, pharma sector performed broadly in line with our expectations. Our pharma universe, which constitute 10 prominent companies from India, reported 21.5% year-on-year growth in net revenue, although we expected around 23.4% Y-on-Y growth for the sector. The growth has been mainly led by the strong sales in US and emerging markets. However, the operating profit margin has improved for our universe by around 171 basis point Y-on-Y to 24.8%. The expansion in margin has mainly been led by Lupin, Torrent Pharma and Glenmark Pharma. The adjusted net profit for our universe has grown by around 36.5% year-on-year, mainly due to lower effective tax rate and low base in case of Aurobindo Pharma and Lupin. The adjusted net profit of the pharma universe was significantly better than our estimates of 18.6% for the universe. During the quarter, the key observations we saw for our pharma sector is that apart from new launches in US, the base business itself has grown in US for players like Sun Pharma, Lupin and Glenmark Pharma. Remarkably, Torrent Pharma has also surprised us positively in US market. Mid-sized players like Aurobindo Pharma, Cadila Health has been aggressive in products filing in USA during the quarter. These companies has also done well in US market. However, the CRAMS business has not ticked well in this quarter. Business of Divi's Laboratory especially disappointed us, mainly because of the production disruptions at their DSN Special Economic Zone facilities. In case of Divi's Laboratory and Carbogen Amix, we see that performance will be better in subsequent quarters because the DSN's SEZ facility would be normalized in next quarter, and Carbogen Amix is also expected to do well in a subsequent quarter. Indian business has also disappointed. This for our universe, the growth has been around 10.9%, which is significantly lower than what we expected. The growth has been better in case of Lupin and Glenmark. However, in most of the other cases, the growth came below expectation. The weaker sales in Indian market has mainly is being attributed to pricing issues which had given uncertainties, and so the wholesalers and trade has been impacted. Secondly, their acute segments has also been not doing well, so it has been an industry slowdown generally that has impacted the performance of Indian players as well. We are coming to top picks. Our top picks include Sun Pharma, Ipca Laboratories, Cipla and Aurobindo Pharma. We have revised the target prices of Sun Pharma to 1150. This implies 26 times earning estimates for FY15. We believe that Sun Pharma's growth would be mainly led by the newly contribution from newly acquired entities and Taro and base business growth. We see a limited downside in case of Sun Pharma, and their cash-rich position also makes our valuation rich. In case of Ipca Laboratories, we have revised the target price to 615. This is 14 times average earnings for FY14 and 15. The Ipca Laboratories performance would be boosted by ramp up from Indore stage facility and approval of products from US FDA and better traction in institutional business. In case of Cipla, we recently initiated a coverage on Cipla. We have a target price of 490, which is 20 times earning estimates for FY15. The growth driver for Cipla is focus on exports, front-end presence in key markets and consolidation in South Africa. Recently, Cipla announced that it is going to acquire Cipla MedPro in South Africa. The consolidation of these entities will happen in fourth quarter of FY14. Aurobindo Pharma, we have revised the target price of Aurobindo Pharma to 267 from 255 earlier. The performance has been strong in this quarter. Management has also given a better guidance, better than expected guidance for FY14. The aggressive products filing in USA and Europe are the main growth drivers for Aurobindo Pharma. Although the debt remains a concern for Aurobindo Pharma, we believe that going forward the strong operating performance would help them ease the burden of debt. We maintain a positive stance on the sector. That's all from my side. Thank you.